In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this single light switch plate cover. As you can see, the screws that are in here are just a single flat line. That's called a flathead. This is what that tool looks like that you're going to use to remove it. It's just a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and put the slot into the screw and start untwisting. Then a lot of times you can just untwist the screws just enough so that they stay into the cover, the plate. You'll see that there might be some tabs on the backside of the screws so that the screws can actually stay in the plate and they don't fall out. So that's how you remove this. And then that's how you gain access to the back of your light switch. Keep in mind, if your breaker is not off, these wires are live and hot. So if you put a finger in and you touch the copper, or if you put your tool in and you touch the copper, you might get sparks or a shock. So be cautious, be careful, make sure you understand what you're doing. If you need to switch out your light switch, then you're going to remove these two. Also, pull them out, and then I have a different video on how to do that. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful for you.